Hi, everyone. Can you believe this Marvel Thor hammer tool set? Oh my gosh, if you've ever wanted to wield the power of Thor and that's always been your dream, well, with this toolkit, you can finally feel like the God of Thunder when you're tackling your household projects. This is really more than just a toolbox. It's 44 pieces of high quality tools packed inside the hammer itself. Really giving you everything you need for repairs and projects around the house. And the durable molded shell of the hammer is not only protective, but it looks amazing. Turning your workspace into a Marvel fan's dream. And the craftsmanship of this is really top notch. It's, really built with precision and they made it feel like it's for a true Avenger. It's a perfect gift for any Marvel fan who also wants something functional but fun. And plus, this is an officially licensed Marvel collectible, which I love. It's a must have for any superhero at heart. This tool will not only help her conquer your to do list, but you can do it in style. This is awesome. I would recommend this for anyone.